Hello everyone and welcome back to another KTANE tutorial. Today I'll be covering the Twitter.com module. Now, if you take a look at the module itself, you'll see the Twitter icon first. If you press the Twitter icon, you'll log into someone's account. You'll see their drafts, their profile picture, but not their username. In order to solve this module, we'll pretty much need to tweet out one of these drafts at a specific time. But before we could do that, we need to determine something called the clout value. So the first step is to determine who this account belongs to, or who this person is. The only thing that you have to go off of is the profile picture. So in this case, it would be Good Hood. Now, depending on which person you get, the equation might be different. For instance, C is equal to M divided by W. Now, what does that mean? Well, you go down here and look at this table over here. So M corresponds to the number of modules, which is 1, divided by the day of the week value. So as of recording this, it's Saturday, so it should be 6. So 1 divided by 6 would be 0.16 and then a bunch of numbers. If you get a number that has decimal points, so for example 0.16, you'll pretty much have to remove the digits after the decimal, so you're going to be left with just 0. Now that you determined your clout value, you'll pretty much need to figure out which tweet you need to tweet out and when do you want to tweet it out, or at least at what time. So our clout value is 0, so we go to this row. We look for the tweet, so KTANE is overrated. No, I can't find it. Taylor Swift was never good. No, I can't find it there. Memes are just terrible today. There it is. There's our tweet. Now, in order to tweet it, we'll need to wait for a specific amount of time, or we'll pretty much need to tweet the tweet out when the second digit form a multiple of 7. So for example, 7, 14, 21, 28, and so on and so on. The next one is 49, so I'm just going to submit it. Wait a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty much for the module. Let me show you another example. So here's another example that I have, and you might be wondering what would happen if I strike on this module. So let's say, oh no, I pressed the wrong. The module will reset, and you'll have to log into a different account. In this case, it's def. So square root d, square root d. What does d correspond to? The number of AA batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square root of d would be 4, would be 2. Oh wait, no, AA batteries, sorry, my apologies. The square root of 2 would be 1.41. However, we only want the number before the decimal, so we remove the numbers after the decimal, and we get 1. So we look for the tweet. Or it's too confusing. And we have to press it when the digits match each other. So 5. Oh, I just missed it. There you go. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.